Hello traders, welcome to ForexLia. I hope you are doing well. So today I'm going to share with Forex best strategy. So we open gold pair in M15 time frame. So this strategy we need two indicator. First 200 period EMA. Second absolute strength histogram indicator. With default setting, if market below 200 period EMA, with absolute strength histogram indicator signal red line, then you take a sell position. Here is sell signal confirmation. Now we place sell trade here. We set stop loss previous candle high point. Set profit target 1:2. We won this trade. If market above 200 period EMA, with absolute strength histogram indicator signal blue line, then you take a buy position. Here is buy signal confirmation. Now we place buy trade here. We set stop loss previous candle low point. Set profit target 1:2. We won this trade. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.